In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find LinkedIn remote jobs. If you're looking for work you can do from home or from anywhere, LinkedIn makes it pretty simple to narrow your search and set the right preferences. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click so you can quickly start seeing remote opportunities that match the kind of role you want. To begin, go to LinkedIn and look at the top navigation bar. From there, click on Jobs. This is the main area where LinkedIn gathers job listings and tools to help you search more efficiently. If you're on a desktop, this option is usually very easy to spot at the top of the page. Once you open it, you'll be taken to the Jobs section where you can customize what kind of opportunities you want to see. Next, look for the option that says Add Job Preferences and click on it. This is an important step because it helps LinkedIn understand what kinds of roles you're interested in. Setting your preferences can improve the job recommendations you receive and make your search results much more relevant, especially if you're trying to focus only on remote positions instead of seeing a mix of office-based and hybrid jobs. Now, in the Job Preferences area, enter the job titles you want. Be specific about the type of role you're searching for. For example, you might enter a title related to your field or the position you want next in your career. After that, make sure you select Remote as the location type. This tells LinkedIn that you only want roles that can be done remotely, which is the key filter for this process. Once you've entered your job titles and selected Remote, click Save. That's what locks in your preferences and helps LinkedIn tailor your experience based on what you're looking for. After saving, you should start seeing more remote job listings that fit the titles you chose, making your search faster and more focused. And that's it. It's a very quick setup, but it can make a big difference if you want to avoid scrolling through jobs that don't match your preferred work style. If you want the best results, keep your job titles updated over time as your goals change, so LinkedIn continues showing you opportunities that are relevant to you. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to find LinkedIn remote jobs.